Ever pondered the origin of the Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete command that we so frequently use? This iconic keyboard shortcut has a fascinating history, rooted deep in the early days of computing. Picture this, it's the mid-70s, an era of big hair, disco music, and the dawn of personal computing. IBM was on the verge of launching its first personal computer. A young engineer named David Bradley was part of the team tasked with developing the BIOS, the rudimentary software that gets the computer started. During development, the team frequently needed to reboot the system, but this wasn't as simple as hitting a button. It involved a tedious process of manually switching off and restarting the machine. Bradley decided to create a shortcut for this process, a magic incantation of sorts that could instantly reset the system. This is where our beloved Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete combo comes into play. But why this specific combination of keys? Bradley wanted to ensure that the reset command could not be triggered accidentally. The chosen combination required two hands to execute, making it less likely to be pressed inadvertently. Interestingly, this command was never intended for public use. It was a tool for developers, a secret handshake of the computing world. However, when IBM PCs hit the market, the command was documented in technical manuals. Tech-savvy users discovered it, and its use quickly spread. Over time, Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete evolved to serve other functions. On modern Windows systems, it brings up the task manager, helps in changing passwords, and allows users to log into their systems. It has become a lifeline for users facing unresponsive software, a beacon of hope in the face of the dreaded frozen screen. So, next time you press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, remember David Bradley. Remember the disco days of the 70s and the dawn of personal computing. The ubiquitous command is more than a quick fix. It's a relic of computing history, a testament to human ingenuity, and a symbol of the ever-evolving digital landscape. And that's how Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete became an integral part of our digital lives. Did you know that software developers often incorporate hidden gems in their creations? Yes, it's true. These hidden treasures, known as Easter eggs, are playful surprises or secret features tucked away in the digital nooks and crannies of our favorite software. Now you might be wondering, why do developers do this? Well, it's a tradition that dates back to the early days of programming. Easter eggs are often a way for programmers to leave their mark, a digital signature if you will, in the vast code base of the software they create. They serve as whimsical reminders of the human touch behind all those lines of code. But Easter eggs aren't just about the developers. They bring fun and excitement to users too. Who doesn't love a good surprise? Discovering an Easter egg can feel like finding a secret treasure map or unlocking a hidden level in a favorite game. So, let's dive into some of the most intriguing Easter eggs hidden away in popular software. First, let's talk about Google. Did you know that if you type "do a barrel roll" into Google's search bar, your screen will do a complete 360-degree spin? Or that you can play a hidden game of Atari Breakout if you search for it in Google Images? Moving on from Google, let's hop into Microsoft Excel. Yes, even spreadsheets can have a fun side. In Excel 97, there's a hidden flight simulator. You heard it right. A flight simulator in a spreadsheet program. Just imagine stumbling upon that while crunching numbers for your budget. And then there's the granddaddy of all Easter eggs, the Konami code. Originally a cheat code for video games developed by Konami, it's now found its way into dozens of other games and even websites. Try inputting up, down, left, right, B, A on some of your favorite sites and see what happens. But Easter eggs aren't just limited to games and search engines, they're also found in operating systems. For instance, in Windows 95, there's a hidden credits list featuring the names of everyone who worked on the project. A digital thank you to the team. Easter eggs add a dash of mystery and a sprinkle of playfulness to our everyday software use. They remind us that behind every application and program, there's a team of creative individuals who not only design functional tools but also embed a bit of fun into their creations. Next time you use your favorite software, keep an eye out for these Easter eggs. You might stumble upon a delightful surprise. Size isn't everything in the software world. Can you imagine what programmers can achieve in just a few bytes? In this digital age, we often measure software's prowess by its size and complexity. But some programmers have proven that great things can come in small packages. They've created incredibly tiny programs, demonstrating the power of efficiency and ingenuity. Take, for example, the world's smallest chess program, designed by French coder Olivier Poudad. Named Boot Chess, This ingenious program is a mere 488 bytes in size. Despite its minuscule footprint, it's fully functional, offering a complete chess game that you can play right in your command line. Or consider the remarkable creation of Russian programmer Alexander Gromov. He developed a program called Tiny Pong, which, at just 153 bytes, is the smallest graphical game ever made. This bite-sized game brings the classic Pong experience to life, all within the confines of a tiny executable file. These programs may be tiny, but creating them was no small feat. It required mastering a delicate balancing act between functionality and size. Programmers had to optimize every single byte, shaving off any unnecessary elements while ensuring the software remained functional and user-friendly. This process is a testament to the creativity and technical prowess of these programmers. But it's not just about creating something small. These minuscule programs also serve as powerful illustrations of how efficient coding can lead to powerful software solutions. They remind us that in programming, it's not just about the size of the code but the way it's written. In the end, what truly matters is how well a program meets its intended purpose, how efficiently it runs, and how user-friendly it is. These tiny programs, while entertaining curiosities, also serve as important reminders of these fundamental principles of software development. These tiny programs prove that in the software world, size truly doesn't matter. Software doesn't just shape our present, it has also left indelible marks on our past. It has been the silent force, the invisible hand guiding the trajectory of human history. Today we unveil some of these game-changing software that have played pivotal roles in shaping our world. Let's journey back to the 1960s, to the dawn of the space age. The Apollo guidance computer software developed by NASA and MIT was instrumental in landing the first humans on the moon. This groundbreaking software not only made the moon landing possible, but also set the stage for modern software engineering. Fast forward to the early 1980s, when a small team of developers created MS-DOS, the operating system that powered the first IBM personal computers. This humble software laid the foundation for the PC revolution, transforming how we work, learn, and play. In the realm of global communications, nothing has been more transformative than the development of the World Wide Web in 1990. This software, created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee, forever changed how we access and share information, bringing about the information age. More recently, the Human Genome Project's software has unlocked the secrets of our DNA. This software has been critical in mapping the human genome, opening vast new frontiers in medical research and personalized medicine. And let's not forget about the software that has revolutionized social interaction in the 21st century. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms have fundamentally altered how we connect with each other, shaping societal norms and even influencing global politics. But the story of software's impact on history continues to unfold. As we speak, software is being written that will help combat climate change, explore distant galaxies, and even predict the future. These software pieces are true game changers, shaping the course of human history in unexpected ways. They remind us that software isn't just about lines of code, it's about the dreams and aspirations of those who write it and the endless possibilities they can unlock. Fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the world of the weirdest software patents ever granted. Let's start with a patent for a method to exercise a cat using a laser pointer. Yes, you heard it right, a software to keep your feline friends fit. Another patent that stands out is one for a system that prevents users from sending emails when they're too emotional. Imagine a software playing the role of your emotional guardian angel. And how about a patent for a system that lets you swing on a swing sideways? Although it's not directly a software patent, it's a baffling addition to the patent world. These quirky patents make you wonder what the inventors were thinking. Were they strokes of genius or just eccentric ideas? From the absurd to the downright hilarious, these patents surely add a dash of peculiarity to the software world.